Welcome to our channel, Kids Learn to Read. 我在学注音. Today we will learn about b, p, m, f, d, t, n, l. Part 1. Before we start, we have a disclaimer to announce. This is our approach as non-native speakers. We find that this method helps expedite the learning and reading process. However, our approach may not be suitable for everyone. So please find a learning method that works best for you. Let's begin our learning for today. B, b, p, p, m, m, f, f, d, d, t, t, n, n, l, l. Let's repeat one more time. B, b, p, p, m, m, f, f, d, d, t, t, n, n, l. Lastly, before we end today's video, we have some tips to share. These are from our learning experience. You may use whichever way that is suitable to your learning style. Memorize the character and its sound so you can read Zhuyin quickly and accurately. It may seem challenging, but don't worry. You will master it very soon. Let's learn Zhuyin together. We can do it. 我们下次见. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.